Hello and welcome to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. I am Dr. Pietro Aparicio, and today we will discuss the topic trauma, trust, and why we still haven't processed the pandemic. In today's video, we are reporting on the American Public Health Association's APHA 2024 annual meeting in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This year, APHA embraces the theme of rebuilding trust in public health and science. The inaugural date of the meeting outshines with a podcast discussing a crucial subject, trauma, trust, and why we still haven't processed the pandemic. Before delving deeper into the topic, let us explore the key moments that led to COVID-19 being declared a global pandemic. Now, as we know, the initial cases of COVID-19 were reported in 2019. However, the rapid spread of novel coronavirus cases in several countries globally prompted the World Health Organization to declare a public health emergency of international concern on January 30, 2020. Soon after, the World Health Organization characterized the outbreak as a pandemic on March 11, 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic was one of the largest worldwide emergencies in recent memory. It extended far beyond the immediate threat of the virus, leading to a serious and lasting impact on economies, society, and health systems. Now, let us explore the contributing factors that led to anxiety, depression, and substance use disorder across the globe in the wake of the pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic led to approximately 7 million fatalities worldwide. Many families suffered financial instability, fragmentation of communities, and weakened social ties and support systems. Besides, the educational and social development of children and young individuals has significantly hindered the life of millions of individuals who had been thrust into poverty. With the COVID-19 pandemic, trust in public health policies is now being distinguished as before the pandemic and after the pandemic. The podcast, Trauma, Trust, and Why We Still Haven't Processed the Pandemic, aligns with the theme of this year's APHA meeting. The discussion in the podcast explores how addressing the psychological effects of the pandemic will help lead to a healthier and more resilient society. This year, the ongoing APHA annual meeting promises to have important discussions and innovative policies. These will help in building better and more trustworthy relationships with public health communities, thus strengthening our faith in science and advancing public health to new heights. For more interesting information and discussions related to the APHA 2024 annual meeting, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.